Good morning, students. I am Karkurali, Assistant Professor from EEE Department, RMD Engineering College. Let's move on to the topic. We will see problem in transformer. Here, a 3300 volt or 300 volt single phase transformer gives 0.5 amps and 60 watt as and wattmeter readings. When supply is given to the low voltage winding and high voltage winding is kept open. What does it mean? It is a OC test, correct? The test is now here it is a OC test. So the reading is no load current. Okay. So the current given current is I naught and then the wattmeter reading is W naught. We will take this as W naught. In OC test, generally the wattmeter reading is taken as iron loss, correct? Then we have to find no load power factor, magnetizing current, iron loss component, and core loss. These are the given data: 3300 by 300 volt transformer, no load current 0.5 amps, and wattmeter reading 60 watt. They are asking us to find out no load power factor cos phi naught, magnetizing current Im, and iron loss component Iw, and core loss. First, we know the power factor. To find out the power factor, we know the power formula. Okay, so what is that? W naught is equal to V naught I naught cos phi naught. From this formula, we can find out the cos phi naught, which is no load power factor. Cos phi naught is equal to W naught divided by V naught by I naught. We know W naught value as 60 divided by this V naught we should take as 300 volt because the open circuit test is conducted on the LV winding, low voltage winding. Hence, V naught is taken as 300 volt. So, V naught 300 multiplied by 0.5. I naught value is 0.5. So, solving this one, we will get the value as 0.4. So, now the no load power factor cos phi naught is equal to 0.4. Then we have to find out the magnetizing current. So, magnetizing current formula Im is equal to I naught. We know this formula already. I naught sin phi naught. It is necessary to find out sin phi naught, correct? Then from the no load power factor, we can take phi naught is equal to cos inverse of 0.4 from this formula, correct? From this formula, cos inverse of 0.4, which is equal to 66.42. So from this sin phi naught, we can find out sin phi naught is equal to 0.9165, which can be approximated as 0.92 with the 2 decimal places. Then substituting here, I naught value is 0.5 multiplied by 0.92. We will get this as 0.46 amps. So magnetizing current Im is equal to 0.46 amps. Then Iw, core loss component, Iw is equal to I naught cos phi naught. So we know already I naught value is 0.5 and cos phi naught is equal to 0.4. Multiplying this, we will get 0.2. So Iw is equal to, we will get this as 0.2 amps. So we have found out no load power factor, magnetizing current, and then iron loss component. Component is nothing but current only. Okay. Then we have to find out core loss. So the test conducted over the transformer is open circuit test. So open circuit test always gives us iron loss or core loss. The other name of iron loss is nothing but core loss. So the wattmeter reading is nothing but iron loss. The wattmeter reading we already know it is 60 watt. So the other name of core loss is iron loss, which is measured with the help of the wattmeter in OC test. Okay, thank you all.